What's up everybody, my name is Pavelos and today I'm coming here with a little bit of a different video because I'm going to be reviewing the Happymodel Pancake all-in-one, and I'm going to be talking about what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and hopefully you guys are going to be able to draw a conclusion about whether or not you want to use it yourself. The video shouldn't be too long, I'm going to have some flying at the end, so yeah, just trying out this video format. You know, it's kind of new for me, so I hope it works out and I hope you guys enjoy and I can make more videos like this in the future. So yeah. So, what sort of drone are we using to review this flight controller? So what I got right here is the Five33 Lightswitch with Xnova 2207 2050 kV motors, the Foxeer Reaper F4 Slim, HQ R36s or R37s, not really sure, Predator Nano V5, and obviously the star of the show, the Happymodel Pancake all-in-one flight controller. So, on to what I like about the Pancake all-in-one. It makes your builds really light because you don't need to put an RX or a VTX into your build. This build right here, it is only 250 grams. Another thing that I really like about this is when building multiple drones with this FC, all you need to solder up is only 3 wires for your camera because you have everything, the RX and the VTX both on the board. So all you need to do, just solder up the camera, plug in your VTX antenna, which right here I'm using just the stock linear antenna that comes with the Pancake, and yeah, it just makes for really simple builds. Now, some things that I don't like about the Pancake. The Pancake, it comes with a built-in RX, and the really bad thing about that is that makes you unable to flash them separately, and they only get updated with Betaflight firmware updates, so you don't really have any control over that. And in order to use ELRS V3, I have to use a 4.4 nightly build version of Betaflight, which isn't very handy because I can use the V3 ELRS, but I can't use any of the functions of it. I can only use it at 500 Hz. I can't use 1000 Hz, for example. Now, another thing that I don't like about the Pancake is that it uses an F4 processor, so you can't use 8K 8K in Betaflight. You can only use 8K 4K and D-Shot 300. And I feel like F7 is kind of the standard now, and you know, it would be really nice if this board had an F7. I feel like it would definitely fly way better. So I had 2 of these all-in-one boards, and I had one of them have really bad video noise after a few packs that I put through it. It was really bugging me because I didn't know what it was, and I was like, well, what is going on, you know, why am I having this noise all of a sudden? And what I figured out is that the 5-volt pads had some sort of noise in them, so I ended up putting a cap on it, and it sort of fixed the issue. But you know, because of that, I would definitely recommend using a cap on this FC because it has some video noise just right off the bat. So using a cap on the 5-volt rail definitely helps with that, and definitely makes the video a lot clearer. So it's another day, I'm out flying again, and I was editing the video yesterday and I was like, holy shit, I completely forgot to say one more positive about the Happymodel Pancake. So that positive is that this all-in-one, it's absolutely dirt cheap. It's only 60 bucks. So if you want to have a fleet that's really cheap, easy to maintain, then I mean, this all-in-one, this VTX, RX, and flight controller, I feel like it's unbeatable for the price, so it's really good. One more thing I completely forgot to say is I forgot to record a transition to go into the DVR, so this is the transition. Let's roll into the DVR.
I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog, get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up in top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. Need a all that champion. I be getting up. Funny how you said it was the year. You know we did it again. Need a couple more ones. Need a pack on every song. Give me like one with Nicky now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see it. I'm a pop nigga like Bieber. On for a beat or some queer. But these nigga bitch like Medea. Yeah. Hey, oh, let do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up and everybody trying to sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began. Funny how you said it was the year. You know we did it again. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Run from nothing, dog. Get your soul. Just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for